like to introduce ourselves as one of the leading road sweeping machine suppliers and contractors. We intend to work with municipalities, highway authorities, special events, any roads, anywhere. Municipal services will include city street sweeping and washing, residential street sweeping and washing, emergency cleanup of roads, state highway sweeping. Through our expertise in cleaning roads, we ensure that we become an established and trusted name throughout the municipal segment. We comply with traffic rules and safety guidelines. We ensure the safety of employees and the general motoring public. With dedicated project managers and technical team, we intend to make ourselves as the first choice in road sweeping. We utilize only the most advanced, up-to-date equipment, that is, Hyde sweepers. These state-of-the-art road sweepers allows us to provide the best possible services at low cost. The wide range of road sweepers available allows us to recommend the most appropriate and efficient machine for your particular application. Courteous, skilled operators and service personnel are extensively trained in the operations of the equipment, its maintenance and sweeping techniques.
Now put the ignition on and give the ignition.